I have brought home this newborn baby. So this mama was without tail, living next to the shop, supermarket, and she has give birth 4 babies, and yeah, that babies was died. Only baby that was left is this one, and it was so rainy outside, and I brought this tiny baby home, and her mama too, until they will grow up. Yes, my love, baby will grow up, and I will help her baby to adopt to the outside. Hi, my love. Look at this face. Look at this face. Look at this tiny face. Look at this. Hi. Psh, 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 psh. Mama is giving her gratitude to me. She feels so happy. Look at this tiny baby. Hi, my love. Maybe 2 weeks old. Look at this baby. Hi. I just wish that this baby will grow up healthy, because all of her babies died. Only baby has left is this one. Hi, Tiny. Hi, Tiny. I want to record this baby. Hi, Tiny. You look so cute. You tiny baby. It is storming. It was storming. Yesterday was 2 days. Actually, there was a very strong rain, and I'm shocked that this baby and mother inside the box stay safe, and somehow this tiny little baby managed to hold on to life. These are blessed babies. Look at the mother's tail, unfortunately. But she's a good mother. She's taking care of her tiny baby. And the baby is so lovely. And the baby is so lovely. I have 2 boys that I brought home, 2 boy cats from the street. They are already, I guess, 5-6 months old. I'm scared for the mama and the baby. They are in another room. But hopefully we will manage somehow. I have also a tiny garden and 2 rooms. Little monkey. Look at this pureness. So pure, so pure, so pure. Mama was living on the trash. I actually have a video that I was recording her eating food. Every day I was going to in front of that supermarket to feed her. I didn't know that her one baby is still alive, because I thought that the babies, all of them, is died. But actually a girl who was working in the supermarket, she said that actually one baby is still alive in the trash. We put her in the box in the trash. I was shocked. That's the baby in the stormy days was holding on to life. That the God has blessed this baby so beautifully, so holy, that blessed to be alive. Yes, my love. Yes, my tiny baby will grow and become a strong kitten, right? Yes, my love. Your this little face. I will clean baby's face. Yes, I will clean baby's face with the tea. I will clean baby's eyes with the tea.